Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is going to be a very short one. This is just an announcement video that my web store is up and live right now for my charity t-shirt pre-order sale that is going on from now until February 28th. And if you guys have seen my previous video, I am supporting the Autism Support Connection out of Hillsboro, Illinois. They come together once a month, they give each other support help, and they also fund and put on events for the autism community. So if you want to help out a great cause, go to the link in the description below. That'll take you to the web store. You could purchase a shirt for $15 plus shipping. All that be calculated right there on the web store. All right, and last thing I'm going to mention on this video is my exhaust came in the other day. I went with the Tap Performance slip-on for my Sport Glide. From what I've read and from what I've listened to on YouTube and from reading on forums, this exhaust sounds amazing for a slip-on. I can't wait to get it on. I'm going to do an install video this weekend. I'm going to try to get it up by mid next week, maybe the following weekend. We'll see. We'll see how it goes.
That's what she said.
And before I go, I just want to thank you all again for your support the last 11 months. It's been great. I love the motovlogging community. It's only gotten better as I've gone. I got a couple other surprises in the mix for you guys. I'll let you know shortly as those things develop. For now, you take it sleazy. I'll see you in the next video.